Looking for the perfect clean? See why nothing cleans teeth and protects gums like Oral-B IO. Because nothing rotates and vibrates like IO for a perfect clean. Its dentist-inspired round brush head rotates to wrap and adapt to each tooth. And thousands of soft bristles that gently vibrate to clean the nooks and crannies where plaque hides. Even in hard-to-reach spots, like in between teeth and molars. For 100% cleaner teeth. Want a clean that's gentle on gums? There's nothing like IO's gum pressure sensor that helps you brush with perfect pressure every time. When the light is green, you know you're getting a perfect clean. IO's even clinically proven to give you healthier gums in just 1 week. It's Oral-B's quietest, most enjoyable experience ever. And dentists worldwide use Oral-B more than any other brand. So experience the clean. Because your perfect clean starts with Oral-B.